Alrighty guys, so as you guys saw, we just picked up a new, or not new toolbox. It is used, we got off marketplace. It is kind of a mess, kind of everything just thrown in here, but we got a pretty good deal on it. So today's video, we're just gonna clean up this whole thing, make it look almost brand new and organize everything. So let's get right to work. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get all these tools out and throw them straight in here. We got a lot of pliers. I mean, we're gonna need some of these, so they are pretty useful. Next thing we got are some wrenches, so toss these all in the thing. I mean, we need to probably, there's a lot of random stuff in here. We're just gonna have to organize all of it. Guys, so we got all these tools out. The fast forwarding stopped for some reason, I'm not sure. Got a DeWalt battery, some hammers, grinder, some wrenches, some sockets, chalk line. This screwdriver is pretty handy. Got a charger, got a couple batteries. Forget then a drill. We got drill. We got, I think that's a 1/4 inch driver, I'm not sure. Impact. We got a couple batteries. This one's broken. Only one of them actually holds power, which kind of sucks, so might have to just buy a new kit, try to just sell these. And I mean, we got all this for a pretty good deal. This toolbox is pretty much brand new. This didn't come with it, we bought this separate, so this right here is brand new. And yeah, we might even got some glasses. It's kind of some, these are from like biker lot. I don't even know what these are, but we're just gonna go in the garage and start cleaning up the screwdrivers with some degreaser. And actually, I think we were gonna, yeah, I'm gonna vacuum these out and wipe them out. So let's get right to it. So we just finished wiping them all out. They are looking pretty nice. The only reason why I really did wipe it out is because I like to have clean tools, and that's basically it. I just like to have clean tools. So I'll just start throwing all the tools back in. Alrighty guys, we didn't actually finish organize everything, but that's gonna have to be it for today's video. I have to catch you guys next time when we go on the truck and we change the ball bearings. So we're just gonna have to catch you guys next time. Please hit this notification bell, the like button, and the subscribe button. Help this channel out. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.